Hello everybody, I am Vibhu Prasad Swai, working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department in Government Polytechnic Dhenkanal. Today, we will learn about the last chapter of subject Electrical Measurement and Instrumentation, which is oscilloscope. This subject is studied under 4th semester for electrical branch. ओके तुम मैंने जाच लैबोरेटरी रे आम गोटे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट अच्छी जहाँ गोटे स्क्रीन अच्छी एवं स्क्रीन आम कि सिग्नाल को ड्र कर पारे सिग्नाल कि देखिपे आम ताद्वारा अच्छा मेडिकल अल्सो तुम देखिपे पेसेंट पाखे गोटे डिवाइस रोचे जो डिवाइस रे कि से पेसेंटर हार्ट बीट और हार्ट रे आम देखिपे दैट इज अ ऑसिलोस्कोप. So in exam point of view, also from practical point of view, this topic is very important for all of you. So let's start the topic. So in this lesson, I will introduce what is oscilloscope, that is CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. Then the block diagram of CRO. Then I will explain about cathode ray tube, CRT, which is called the heart of the CRO. Then using the CRO, I will explain how we can measure voltage, current, frequency, phase difference, and at last I will give some assignment so that you can learn, so that you can explain yourself that how much you have understood. So I will go to the introduction part, that is what is CRO. Cathode ray oscilloscope is a very useful and versatile instrument which is used for display, measurement, analysis of waveforms in electrical and electronic circuit. So what I have told, it is an instrument which is used for display, measurement and analysis of electrical and electronic signal. Suppose this is a CRO and this is a screen. So in the screen I can display any signal. Okay, from the signal I can measure its voltage, its frequency, its time period. Then I can analyze. What will you analyze? I can analyze whether the signal has some distortion or it is a pure signal. So as this is a device which can perform many functions, so it is called a versatile instrument. Also it is called a XY plotter. Plot means we will have x axis and y axis. So here in the screen I'll get the input signal in y axis, and in the x axis I can get time or another signal. So this is a very XY plotter, very fast XY plotters displaying an input signal versus another signal or versus time. So the x axis can be time or another signal, and the y axis will be a signal. As I told, this CRO, using the CRO we can measure the voltage, so I can call it as a voltmeter. Also, as an engineering student, we should know who is the inventor of CRO. So Ferdinand Braun invented the first oscilloscope in 1897. So next we learn what is the block diagram of CRO. It is a long question in your exam, so you should give more attention to this block diagram. First of all, I have to mention what are the blocks inside the CRO. It is vertical amplifier first, second delay line, third trigger circuit, then time based generator, then horizontal amplifier, then CRT and the power supply. With the help of these blocks, I will explain how the CRO will be operated or how the CRO works. It is the input signal. What is the input signal? आमे जो सिग्नल को स्क्रीन रे देखिबा को चाहिबा, that is our input signal. It is given to the input to the CRO. So the CRO रे first element कौन होची मोर vertical amplifier. So vertical amplifier काम कौन? It amplifies the input signal. Amplifies means it increases the strength of the weak signal so that we will get a measurable deflection. Then the output of vertical amplifier is given to the delay line. Then the signal will reach to the vertical deflection plate. Similarly, the signal comes in this path and passes through trigger circuit, time based generator, horizontal amplifier, and then reaches to the horizontal deflection plate. So see, ଏଇଠି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସିଗ୍ନାଲଟା ମୋର ଆସୁଛି ଇନପୁଟ ସିଗ୍ନାଲଟା मोर वर्टिकल डिफ्लेक्शन प्लेट पाखे पहुँचुची पुणी सेम सिग्नालटा किसी किसी सर्किट क्रॉस करके कौटी पहुँचुची हॉरिजॉन्टल डिफ्लेक्शन प्लेट पाखे बट मोर ऑब्जेक्टिव होची कौन ना द सिग्नल रिचेस बोथ द प्लेट्स साइमल्टेनियसली सेम टाइम रे जेमती पहुँचो ये मुझे कौन करी देख यही पाथरे मोर 3टा सर्किट क्रॉस करुच्ची पर यही पाथरे किसी सर्किट क्रॉस करनी तेणु सेम टाइम रे पहुँचा मुझे कौन करी गोटे डिले लाइन देवी सपोज ये 1 मिलीसेकेंड नब ये 1 मिलीसेकेंड नब ये 1 मिलीसेकेंड नब तो रीच द सिग्नल फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट देन आई विल गिव 3 मिलीसेकेंड डिले लाइन here so that the signal reaches both the plate simultaneously. Then I'll come to this circuit. The input signal comes here. Then what trigger circuit does? Trigger circuit synchronizes the input signal to the horizontal system. That is using the input signal use करके ये horizontal signal को synchronize करी. Next time based generator काम कौन? Time based generator काम होची ये गोटे sawtooth voltage generate करिवो. So what is the sawtooth voltage? So this is a sawtooth voltage. तो ये इनपुट सिग्नल को यूज करके ट्रिगर सर्किट ट्रिगर पल्स हिसाब से जनरेटर कौन करिवो ए सॉटूथ वोल्टेज टा जनरेट करिवो. तो ये सॉटूथ वोल्टेज काम कौन? इट विल फेड टू द हॉरिजॉन्टल एम्पलीफायर. सपोज this voltage has weak strength, then the horizontal amplifier amplifies the weak signal and it gives to the horizontal deflection plate. तो देखो मु कौन कहली vertical deflection plate पाखरे मोर normal signal आसी पहुँचला but horizontal deflection plate पाखरे कौन पहुँचला गोटे sawtooth signal. Then I'll come to the CRT part. This is called the CRT. This is called the CRT. In CRT I have an electron gun. Electron gun काम कौन? It will generate beam of electrons. Then the electrons moves in this direction. Then it will come under vertical deflection plate. तो vertical deflection काम कौन? से electron को deflect करिवो को direction रे? In vertical direction. Similarly, the electron moves to the horizontal deflection plate. यार काम कौन? ये electron को horizontal deflect करिवो. Finally, the electron will reach on the screen. तो देखो suppose मु example दोची. Suppose this is the beam of electron and this electron comes and it will move vertically and it will move horizontally, then it will strike on the screen. Suppose this is the screen, then another electron beam comes vertically, horizontally, it this point at this point it strikes the screen. Likewise I will get a curve where the electron strikes on the screen. I will get a curve. Actually why I get the curve? Because the frequency of the electron beam is such that I will get a stationary pattern. सेटा मतलब curve भरा देखा जीवो. So this is the job of CRT. Then for what purpose power supply is used? I told that this vertical amplifier, delay line, trigger circuit, time based generator, all these are electronic circuit. To operate this circuit, I need power supply. So low voltage power supply is given all part of circuit, and high voltage power supply is given to the CRT or the CRT anode. So with the help of these blocks, what I told also, when the electron strikes on the screen, what happens? When the electron strikes on the screen, actually the electrical energy is converted to visual energy. How? The inner side of the screen is coated with a material called phosphorus. So the phosphorus converts the electrical energy into visual energy, so that we get a bright spot on the screen like this. So next, I told all these circuits. What is the function of vertical amplifier? Is amplify the weak signal. What is the function of delay line? Delay line is used to delay the signal for some time. Trigger circuit, it synchronizes the horizontal deflection with the vertical deflection. Then time based generator, it generates sawtooth voltage. Then horizontal amplifier, it amplifies the signal generated by time based generator, which is fed to the horizontal deflection plate. What I told you just. Then what is the function of CRT? I told CRT, electrons are emitted from a cathode, accelerated to a high velocity and brought to focus on fluorescent screen. The screen produces a visible spot where the electron beam strikes by deflecting the beam over the screen in response to the electrical signal. Actually in my next slide, I will tell in detail what is the CRT. Then power supply. In power supply, I have two types power supply, that is high voltage and low voltage power supply. High voltage power supply is given to the CRT and low voltage power supply is given to the other part of the CRO. So this is the heart of the oscilloscope, that is CRT. आपको हमें कहबा cathode ray tube. So देखो तुम मैंने ये CRT रे फर्स्ट टोटल इस CRT को 4 मेन पार्ट से डिवाइड करा जाइछि. गोटे छि इलेक्ट्रॉन गन असेंबली, देन प्लेट सिस्टम, then it is the screen, then whole is the glass base. Okay, so in electron gun system what I have a heater, a cathode, a control grid and anodes. Heater काम कौन? It helps to heat the cathode. So cathode is indirectly heated by the heater. So हम जानिछे जदि cathode को हम heat करिबा सेतु किछि इलेक्ट्रॉन emit हबो by the process of thermionic emission. So here electrons are emitted from the cathode. Now it passes through the grid. Grid रो सेंट्रल रो होल अछि देखो गोटे, तो ए होल रे इलेक्ट्रॉन पास करिवो. तो ग्रिड रो काम कोन? ग्रिड रो काम होछि कि ग्रिड कंट्रोल करिवो केते इलेक्ट्रॉन मर एमिट हबो कैथोड रू. That controls the grid. Then the electron beam passes through the pre-accelerating anode and the accelerating anode. Accelerating anode or pre-accelerating anode काम कोन? It will give acceleration or it will increase the speed of the electron beam. Then what is the job of focusing anode? Focusing anode कोन करिवो देखो. Suppose electron beams will scatter in this direction, but I have to create a narrow beam. So focusing anode कोन करिवो? सब इलेक्ट्रॉन को गोटे पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन को आनिबो, so that I will get a narrow beam and the beam and the with the help of beam the spot is created on the screen. So that is the focusing anode. Then the electron moves through the vertical diffraction plate. As I told, vertical diffraction plate रा काम कोन? काम होची से स्क्रीन रे स्पॉट को वर्टिकली अप और डाउन जोर से स्ट्राइक करेबो. सो वर्टिकल डिफरेंस काम होची कि इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम विल स्ट्राइक ऑन द स्क्रीन either up or downward direction. Similarly, what the function of horizontal diffraction plate? Horizontal diffraction plate रा काम होची से इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम को लेफ्ट और राइट मूव करेबो. बुझि पालो? So both these the electron beams are diffracted by both these plates, then it will strike on the screen. As I told before, the screen is the inner side of screen is coated with a phosphorus, and that phosphorus, when the electrons bombard on the phosphorus, then it will convert the kinetic energy of electron into light energy. So we can get a visible spot on the screen. Then one coating is there, aqua the coating. काहे coating टा दिया जाइछि? Suppose 80 इलेक्ट्रॉन पहुंचला परे तार स्पीड कमी जाउछि, देन aqua the coating कोन करिवो तार इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पीड को पुणी से इंक्रीज करे देबो. देन 80 इलेक्ट्रॉन स्ट्राइक कला परे सेकेंडरी एमिशन हबो. जदि मोर 80 इलेक्ट्रॉन सब रहि जिबा स्क्रीन रे, देन ए स्क्रीन नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल पळे आसीबो, देन स्क्रीन स्टेबिलिटी मोर कमी जिवो. सेतम कोन करिवि 80 इलेक्ट्रॉन सब ए जो aqua the coating अब्जॉर्ब कर देबो, सो दैट new beam of electron on strike on the screen. Then the total system is covered by glass. Okay, and here I have the pins on the base of the glass. A pin कहीं यूज करछे मु ए ग्रिड को एनोड को मु सप्लाई देबी, पोटेंशियल वोल्टेज देबी. सो ए पिन थ्रू रे मु ई सब एनोड की ग्रिड हो सब पोटेंशियल और वोल्टेज को प्रोवाइड करबी. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ कैथोड रे ट्यूब. सो व्हाट आई हैव डिस्कस्ड नाउ, ए मु एबे कहली कि for total main parts कौन मोर electron gun assembly, diffraction plate assembly, then fluorescent screen, then glass body and base, that I have already discussed. Then this is the main thing. आमे जानले जे CRO केमि कौन कौन से केमिति ऑपरेट करछि, बट CRO प्रैक्टिकल केमिति कनेक्शन होबा दैट इज मोर इंपोर्टेंट. देखो सपोज एटा गोटे सर्किट मोर, एई सर्किट रे मु चाहूची ए रेजिस्टर अक्रॉस रे केते वोल्टेज ड्रॉप होछि और केमिति वोल्टेज वैल्यू हो जाने पे, ताले मोटे सीआर लगेबी एठी. सीआर रे पावर कट पावर सप्लाई को देबी. देन सीआर रो गोटे चैनल रु मु गोटे प्रोब आनिबी. से प्रोब रो दीटा टर्मिनल अछि, तो मते जहां अक्रॉस रे वोल्टेज मेजर करियर अछि मु सेही दीटा टर्मिनल रे मु सीआर प्रोब को कनेक्ट करबी, सो दैट आई विल गेट ए कर्व और आई विल गेट ए वेवफॉर्म ऑन द स्क्रीन. क्लियर? देन I have already told using CRO, we can measure the voltage, current, frequency. Now I will show how we can measure the voltage. Suppose it is the screen of the CRO. These are the vertical lines and these are the horizontal lines. Each line is called graticule and each small square is called division. Okay. Now you see, this is a waveform I have got. This is the positive peak, this is the negative peak. So what will be the peak to peak voltage? So we have to follow the procedure to find the peak to peak voltage. That is count number of division. So आम काउंट करिबा केते डिवीजन क्रॉस करछे आमे एई पीक रो एई पीक जिबा पई 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of division equal to 6. Number of division equal to 6. Then note the position of voltage per division knob. Actually CRO रे गोटे knob थाए जके voltage per division knob. एई knob रो काम कोन? एई knob को आमे रेगुलेट करके आमे एई सिग्नल रो एम्पलीट्यूड को बढ़ेबा नले कम हेबा दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कन्वीनियंस. सो सपोज एई पोजीशन रे knob मोर कोड है देखो एई जो ब्लैक सिंबल टा अछि तमो knob एइट अछि तो एई पोजीशन ना कोन केते पोजीशन अछि 1 दैट इज 1 वोल्ट. So position of voltage per division equal to 1 voltage per division. And what we have 6 division, number of division 6. Then peak to peak voltage equal to number of division into voltage per division value. That is 6 division into 1 voltage per division. Division cancel equal to 6 volt. So I get the peak to peak voltage, that is 6 volt. From this peak to peak voltage I can get the peak voltage, that is 6 by 2, it is 3 volt. Peak voltage, half of the peak to peak voltage. From the peak voltage I can get RMS voltage, I can get average voltage by the formula. So in this way I will get the voltage from of any signal. Then how I can measure the current? Actually CRO cannot measure the current directly. So what I have to do? Suppose I want to measure the current in this resistor. So I have to connect the CR probe across the resistor. Then I have to get, what I will get? I will get the voltage waveform as I said in the previous slide. From the voltage value I will get I equal to V by R because I know the resistance value, and from the CRO I get the voltage value. How I calculated before. So V by R will be I, or the current value. So in this way we can measure the current. Now we can measure also frequency of any signal. You know that one time period equal to time taken to complete one cycle. So here to complete one cycle, how much division we are crossing? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then number of division equal to 8 division, and time per division value as voltage per division knob, we will have a time per division knob, so that we will get one cycle or two cycle in the screen. So that the time per division here, what is 0.2. So it is 0.2 and it will be in second. So 0.2 second per division. So total time equal to T equal to number of division in time per division value, that is 8 into 2 second by division cancel, it will be 16 second. So T equal to 16 second. We know that frequency equal to 1 by T. So frequency equal to 1 by 16, that is F equal to 1 by 16 Hertz. In this way we can calculate the frequency. Now Lissajous pattern. This is also an important topic or important subject for all of you. You need to understand. I have told you that in the in vertical deflection plate and horizontal deflection plate, in the block diagram, what we have given in vertical deflection plate, we are given the input signal, and in the horizontal deflection plate, what we have given the sawtooth wave. Previously what I had given, but if both the plates are given sinusoidal signals, that is in vertical deflection plate I will give the sinusoidal signal, and to the horizontal deflection plate I will also give another sinusoidal signal. Then the pattern which I obtained on the screen is called Lissajous pattern. Okay, so Lissajous pattern is used for measuring the frequency of sinusoidal signal and phase difference between two sinusoidal signals. So this is the formula how to get the frequency and phase difference. So Fy by Fx equal to maximum number of x intercept and maximum number of y intercept. Suppose this is the Lissajous pattern I have obtained. Okay, so x intercept कौन होगा मैं को intercept करी x axis को. So केते थोड़े intercept करती 1 2 3 4 तेरे मुझे vertical intercept करी केते intercept करती 1 2. So Fy by Fx will be 4 by 2. এই ইকুয়েশন রে মতে Fx এর ভ্যালু জানা থিবো মতে এই সিগন্যাল র ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি জানা থিবো দেন আই উইল ক্যালকুলেট what will the Fy value. Similarly, suppose this is another Lissajous pattern. So in this signal, what will the phase difference? Phi equal to sin inverse A by B. So A कौन? A was distance from origin to point on y-axis where the elliptical shape of Lissajous sphere intercept. A होची origin रू जोटी ए Lissajous pattern टा कोड कहाँ टच करती जोटी y-axis से intercept करती सेटा होची distance टा A. Then B कौन? Distance from origin to the tangent on to the horizontal tangent of elliptical shape. এই যে horizontal tangent को the distance from origin that is B. So formula equal to phi equal to sin inverse A by B. Phi টা কোন the phase difference between two signals. So in this class what we have studied, let's summarize it. First, what is CRO? CRO is used for measurement of and analysis for electrical and electronic signal. Then this is a block diagram of CRO. So what is in the block diagram? We have vertical amplifier, we have delay line, we have trigger circuit, time based generator, horizontal amplifier, then CRT, then power supply. Then also we have discussed CRT. In CRT, what are the main parts? This electron gun assembly, diffraction plate assembly, then the fluorescent screen, then the glass base, and finally what I have explained, how to measure voltage, current, frequency and time period using CRO. These are some assignments I have given. You have to done by yourself, and you have to analyze how much you have understood from my class. Thank you. So I have tried my best to explain this topic in this short period, but still if you have some query, you can contact me in this my number on this my number 9776 256 043. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणारे जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा